So, you want to take back control of your photos from Google Photos, but can't decide between Photoprism and Immich? Stay till the end because I'm breaking down everything that actually matters. And before we dive in, smash that subscribe button. This comparison took forever to research. Quick setup. Photoprism is the privacy-focused veteran with deep AI search. It's been around longer, more mature, runs as a progressive web app. Immich, the new hotshot that hit stable release in October 2025. Native mobile apps, slick Google Photos clone, and honestly, it's exploding right now. Both are self-hosted, both are open source, both are free, but they're built for different users. Mobile experience. This is where it gets real. Immich has actual native apps for iOS and Android with automatic background sync. Your photos upload the second you take them. Photoprism? It's a web app. You'll need third-party WebDAV apps like PhotoSync, and trust me, it's clunky. If you're backing up from your phone, Immich wins hands down. AI and search. Photoprism's AI is legendary for a reason. Object detection, location tagging, facial recognition, all running locally with TensorFlow, Ollama, even OpenAI integration now. Search cat with red ball and it finds it. But here's the kicker. Face detection can be hit or miss. Immich caught up fast. Their clip-based search is seriously impressive. Face detection works better, especially for diverse faces, and they just added OCR, meaning it reads text and images. For most users, Immich's AI is more reliable. Speed and performance. Immich is stupidly fast. Lightning uploads, instant browsing, parallel job processing, even with thousands of raw files. Photoprism can crawl during initial indexing and gets heavy on CPU. If you have 50,000 plus photos and want smooth performance, Immich handles it better. Setup difficulty. Immich, simpler Docker setup, beginner-friendly. Photoprism, more configuration needed, especially for AI features. Winner, Immich for ease. Metadata and organization. Here's where Photoprism fights back. Batch editing metadata, comprehensive EXIF control, WebDAV access for video editing workflows. Photoprism is built for power users who care about data integrity. Immich is catching up, but still basic here. Development and community. Immich hit 80,000 GitHub stars and just went fully stable. Weekly updates, massive community, backed by Fudo. Photoprism is mature but slower development cycle. If you want cutting-edge features, Immich is moving faster. Bottom line, choose Immich if you want a modern Google Photos replacement with killer mobile apps, fast performance, and active development. Choose Photoprism if you're a power user who needs advanced metadata control, or you're okay with web-only access and slower updates for better AI search depth. Personally, for most people in 2025, Immich is the move. Drop a comment. Are you Team Immich or Team Photoprism? Links to both are in the description. Subscribe for more self-hosting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.